Do you want to learn web development for free? If yes, then you are at the right place. So let's start. This is the introduction video of our channel. In this video, you will learn introduction to HTML. This is the part of a full stack of development code. So let's get started. So let's just see what are the goals of this video. First, it would be the introduction to HTML. Then we will see example of an HTML, and then we will see some HTML elements, and after that we will leave the web browsers, HTML structure, HTML history, and at the last we will see some of our basic tags. So let's just start. So number one, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is the link, etc. Now let's move forward and let us see basic HTML document example. Here it is. You can see that here we have started with DOCTYPE, then HTML tag, then heading, enter the title, and then warning. Let's explain this document very easily. So the DOCTYPE HTML definition defines that this document is an HTML5 document, which is the latest version of HTML. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page, like its language and date and many other things which is required for SEO. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visual contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 tag, that means heading 1 element, defines a large head, and then the P element defines a paragraph. So now let us see what is HTML element. What is HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and that. Now you can see here example that the tag is user here element that is the goes brackets is tag name, and then we are writing the content code where you will write your content and you will end this tag with slash before its tag. The HTML element is obviously from the start tag to the end, and that means we can say that the HTML tag here started from tag name with the closed tag name. Now let us see some other examples, like here is H1, that was heading 1, which is a large heading where we are writing my first heading. You are putting my first heading, where if the second we are writing here the paragraph, that is my first paragraph. Now let us see some of the examples of HTML elements. Here is H1, that was that it is very like the H heading, which is a partition, then paragraph, which is started with fish. And third here which is BR. BR tag is some of HTML elements. BR tag is which has no content. It just breaks the page. For example, let us see note down there. Some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements, and empty elements do not have any tag. Now let us think and think about web browsers. The purpose of web browsers, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them current. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the top. For example, in the above example, we have coded for my first heading and my first paragraph. So here it's the example. You can see that it only shows then my first heading, but the actual tag has been hidden. Okay, so all the tags are not shown yet, but the content is shown in the browser. Now let's move forward and let us see the HTML page structure. So here is the visualization of an HTML page structure. First of all, we add HTML tag, which is closed by /HTML. Then inside the HTML, we use head tag. Inside the head tag, we use the title tag where we write our title of our web page. Then after head tag, we use the body where our content goes. There's that means where we write SUR, where we write headings, paragraphs, and many other things. Now let's note the content inside the body. The section is displayed in the browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser title bar or in the pages tab that I step 2, 3, 3, 4 also. Now let us see HTML about some HTML history. Since the early days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web, and in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML2. And after 1993, Dave had drafted HTML. Let's see all the history here, and easily, and you have to remember, but that is not usually actually asked in the interviews underlying others. So that is not recommended. This tutorial follows the latest HTML5 standard. So we have learned all the things about the introduction to HTML. So thanks for watching. After all the lessons, you will see the basic HTML that which I ordered for you. So thank you for watching this video.